Hi there, what's up? My name is Vishal from my web, and in this video we are going to start our second chapter. I am going to tell you about how to install Node.js and Express in your system. First of all, you need Node.js. So when we move to the next slider, there is a tools required before the setup. You need Node.js, a code editor. You can choose VS Code or Cursor or Google Anti-Gravity, any one terminal. I am using Git Bash. I recommend you to use Git Bash for its universal terminal. It can be used on Windows, Ubuntu, or on macOS. After that, for the testing purpose, we will use Postman, Insomnia, okay, and otherwise you can also use Bruno. I'll tell you about it in the later videos. First of all, let's install Node.js, okay, and the code editor I'm already using VS Code. It's already in my system. For the installing the Node.js, you just simply go to the new tab and type the Node.js download, and then click on this website. You just need to run these commands. Otherwise, you can simply download your installer file. Like I am using the Windows, so I can go with the Windows installer file. If you are using a Mac OS user, you can change your platform, Mac OS or Linux or AIX. I'm using Windows, so I just call this Windows installer. And yes, the current version is 24.18. So how can you check this version? Okay, so there is some commands verify your local environment file. So I just simply open my terminal and type node as add. Let me increase font size. Yeah, and type node dash v. So I have 24.13. I'm checking my npm package version, which is 11.16. And if I want to check the git dash version, I have 2.5. If you don't have git version, you just simply go to the open new tab and type the git download, and based on that your platform you can download your git version using Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and another things. Okay, let's say what's the next step. Now then, for the starting on Express.js projects, first of all I just open my Express.js, and I'm opening this official website. Well, this is now updated homepage UI of Express.js. The homepage, and its version is 5.2.1. So let's see how can I start this project using installation. When I go to the get started, there is some installation process. When I'm going through this documentation process, there is the catch. Because whenever document version will be changed, you don't need to worry about what's the whole tutorial once again. You just need to go to the doc section and just check the version and then start reading and follow the process of all the things like making directory, initialize the npm packages, and install express.js. So for that, I'm just going back to my chapter. There are some short steps. You need to make a directory and enter into that project, initialize the package, and then you just need to type npm install express. Okay, so in this project, let me open my Windows Explorer, and I'm going to the desktop. Let me okay, I'm open terminal, my terminal at here. Okay, open in terminal and just making directory which is express.js chapter 2, and I enter my express.js chapter 2. Okay, and I just open into my code editor, code dot. I think I opened two views. Let me close the previous one. Let me zoom it. Okay, after that I'm open my terminal, new terminal, and what is the next step? The next step is to type npm init dash y. Some type npm init dash y, and it will initialize your npm package in the beginning stage. Okay, so as you can see, it set created a file is package.json. So you can enter your author name like Vishal More. Okay. After that, you need to type npm install express. Npm install express. When I hit the enter, so it's installed my Express.js. As you can see, is that in the dependency, it's installed Express 5.2.1. Okay. So now I'm also create a custom script at here for the dev. Okay. And type the in and as enter the index.js node index.js. Okay. And it also asks for install the npm install node one. It's a running environment, so I just copy this and hit enter. So install the node one, but I'm not going to use node one first. Let me create our first file. Okay, so index.js, because this is my entry main point. As you can see in the package.json file, it's have index.js files are our entry point. For checking this project, I just simply type the console log. I just print a message in my console. Console means into my terminal, and again I type the node index.js. As you can see, it's run our script and print the hello world into our project. So again, I'm going back to my package.json. What if so as you can see, it's a development. So if I say npm run there, so it's running my script and it's stopped working. So what if I use node mod? So I just change the node mod and again hit running my script and run there, and it's not continuously running my project. And I change index.js hello world running by node mod. When I save, it detect my change and run get the output into our terminal. Okay, and just remove this comment this line because I don't need this one. And package.json file and use the not I'm not going to use common JS. I'm using modular based architecture. Okay, in just.js I already installed express.js. Let's initialize express.js. So const app equals to sorry, not const. I'm going to import my express.js from express. After that, const app equals to express. I just initialize express function at here, and I just type a get URL at here. Okay, I will tell you what I'm writing, what is the request and what is the response, and arrow function, and again send a hello world message. And also I'm defining my port at here. Okay, so const port equals to 3000 because I'm going to run my port express just on the 3000 port. And is the app.listen in which port? That given port, right? And then it's give a simply message console.log server is running on this port. Okay. When I click on this URL, you see it's run this project into hello world at here, but I'm not running this. I'm going to copy and I'm going to open my web browser and hit here. Okay, so as you can see, I got a message hello world. So as you can see, how can you initialize or express JS into our local environment? Let's see what's the next things we need to do. We already done the package.json file. We initialize our first Express.js setup. We created this development is create into our my package.json file. and I already visit this URL also. So sorry, my bad. There is the request flow of this chapter. A browser, I mean a user, send a request using from browser or postman. It's hitting the express route. This is the route actually. This is our routes. When I click routing, and then it's handle the logic. There is no logic right now because we just print the response, send a response message into a plain text, and then it's response in text or JSON. The common setup errors and fixes what we will get in during the setup or Express.js application. You cannot find module Express. Run npm install Express. You're not able to find the modules, so you can just type the npm install Express. Node one not found, so you can simply install the npm run npm install dash t and your node mod. Change port or stop process using the port. Wrong file path in scripts confirm server source slash server.js is exist. But instead of that, we are using index.js as you can see. Mini task before chapter. Add an advanced like add get slash API slash info route and return the app name, version, environment, and current timestamps. And also test both health and app info in Postman. If you're not able to do that, don't worry about this. I will tell you in the next video. Till then, stay with me. Happy coding.